you videotaping me?
Yeah. You knew I was.
Wait, what did you say? Because I was like, you were like cutting off. Where are you? You're walking home? Can you just stop by because we're going out? Yeah, stop by for like 3 seconds. Alright, bye.
Look what Paris wrote. What? Wait, let me say. Alright, so this is the... Okay, I've seen this whole thing. What the fuck? Nigga, that's busted.
What should I write?
The, like, word. How do I stop this?
Oh, wait.